All right, here I have a 2024 Infiniti QX50 with a 2.0 liter engine, and I did an oil change. And if you just want the quick information, it takes 0W20 full synthetic. It takes 5 quarts. The drain plug is a 14 millimeter. The torque on that is 22 to 29, and then I found another spec that said 25, so it's kind of in between. And then that's the oil filter OEM number. And then the rest of the video is just showing me where everything is and how to reset the oil life, so you want to stick around. So here at the top, where these two openings are, is your dipstick and your oil fill cap. The oil fill cap is kind of back there, kind of hidden. And then at the bottom here, you got a splash shield with 15 clips. So you have to take all of them off, and then the whole thing comes down, and then that's the bottom of your engine. And here on the passenger side, you have your drain plug and your oil filter right next to each other, pretty much. That's the original oil filter. And then this is the part number if you want to use a OEM crush washer. 11026JA00A. And then this is just another view of where I got that torque spec. At that number 11, this is 34.3 Newton meters, and then the last one is foot pounds. This is your dipstick. That's how it's going to look like. You want to in between those two dots. And then when you reset your oil life, it's going to be in your cluster. You're gonna want to go down here to this oil signal or symbol. And then you're going to be using these buttons here on your steering wheel to move to the side, and also the one on the right or the left to reset it. Because as you can see here, it says hold to reset when you're going to reset it. So here I'm just going to show me doing it in real time. So if you're just going to press the button to go to the side, to the little oil symbol, and then it's going to say hold to reset after like a second or two. So yeah, if you have any questions, let me know and I'll try to help you out.